Thinking about buying a pellet grill? Stop scrolling, because the wrong choice could cost you over $2,000 and leave you dealing with temperature swings, constant error codes, or expensive repairs. After comparing expert reviews and long-term owner feedback, I found 4 pellet grills that consistently earn high praise for reliability, cooking performance, and customer satisfaction. No grill is completely complaint-free, but these come closer than almost anything else on the market. Let's count them down. Number 4. Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 36. If you love authentic barbecue flavor, the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 36 is one of the most innovative pellet grills you can buy today. Designed for serious backyard pit masters and barbecue enthusiasts, it stands out because of its unique smoke box, a feature that sets it apart from almost every other pellet grill on the market. Unlike traditional pellet grills that rely solely on wood pellets for heat and smoke, the Woodwind Pro lets you add real wood chunks, wood chips, or even charcoal directly into the smoke box while cooking. This creates a richer, deeper, and more authentic smoky flavor that's much closer to what you would expect from a traditional offset smoker, but without the constant fire management. The grill also offers over 1,200 square inches of cooking space, making it ideal for preparing meals for large families, parties, or weekend cookouts. Its advanced PID digital controller maintains precise temperatures for consistent cooking, while the convenient ash cleanout system makes maintenance quick and hassle-free after every cook. For those who want even more versatility, the optional sidekick attachment allows you to sear steaks, cook breakfast, or use additional cooking accessories. Owners consistently praise the Woodwind Pro for its outstanding smoke flavor, reliable temperature control, durable construction, and user-friendly design. Although it comes with a premium price tag and assembly can take some time, most users agree the performance easily justifies the investment. If authentic wood-fired flavor and dependable results are your top priorities, the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 36 is one of the best pellet grills available today. Number 3. Weber Searwood 600 XL. The Weber Searwood 600 XL is one of the most impressive pellet grills to hit the market in recent years, proving that Weber carefully listened to customer feedback and refined its pellet grill design from the ground up. Built to excel at both low and slow smoking and high-temperature grilling, this versatile grill offers the flexibility to cook everything from tender brisket and juicy ribs to perfectly seared steaks and burgers. One of its standout features is its wide temperature range, allowing you to switch effortlessly between slow smoking and high-heat searing without sacrificing performance. The grill also features a rapid startup system that gets you cooking quickly, while the dedicated smoke boost mode enhances smoke production for richer barbecue flavor during low-temperature cooks. A generously sized pellet hopper supports long cooking sessions with fewer refills, making it ideal for overnight smoking, and the thoughtfully designed grease management system simplifies cleanup after every meal. Owners also appreciate the grill's durable construction, precise temperature control, and easy-to-use companion app, which lets you monitor and adjust cooking settings remotely for added convenience. While its cooking surface is slightly smaller than that of some competing premium pellet grills, many users feel the superior build quality, consistent performance, and user-friendly design more than make up for the difference. Overall, the Weber Searwood 600 XL delivers an excellent balance of smoking capability, grilling power, reliability, and ease of maintenance, making it one of the best all-around pellet grills for both beginners and experienced outdoor cooks. Number 2. Traeger Ironwood XL. The Traeger Ironwood XL is one of the most advanced pellet grills in Traeger's lineup, combining premium construction, smart technology, and exceptional cooking performance for serious outdoor chefs. As one of the most recognized names in the pellet grilling industry, Traeger has continued to improve its flagship models, and the Ironwood XL is a perfect example of that commitment. It features an impressive 924 square inches of cooking space, providing plenty of room to prepare multiple racks of ribs, whole chickens, briskets, or burgers for large family gatherings and backyard parties. The grill is equipped with Wi-Fi smart connectivity, allowing you to monitor and control temperatures remotely through the Traeger app, while the Super Smoke mode enhances wood-fired flavor during low and slow cooking sessions. A vibrant, full-color touchscreen makes operations simple and intuitive, and the Easy Clean grease and ash keg significantly reduces cleanup time after every cook. Its generous 22-pound pellet hopper supports extended smoking sessions without frequent refills, making it ideal for overnight barbecue. Owners consistently praise the Ironwood XL for its stable temperature control, premium build quality, spacious cooking capacity, and user-friendly design. Although it carries a premium price and performs better as a smoker than a high-heat searing grill, its overall versatility and convenience make it an excellent investment. With redesigned insulation, improved grease management, and enhanced long-term durability, the Traeger Ironwood XL has become a top choice for backyard cooks who want reliable performance, modern technology, and consistently delicious wood-fired results. Number 1. Recteq RT-1250. If long-term reliability is your biggest concern when choosing a pellet grill, the Recteq RT-1250 is widely regarded as one of the best options available. Over the years, Recteq has earned a loyal following by focusing on durability, consistent performance, and exceptional customer support, rather than simply adding flashy features. The RT-1250 is built with heavy-duty stainless steel components that resist rust and wear, making it a dependable investment for years of outdoor cooking. At the heart of the grill is an advanced PID temperature controller, which continuously adjusts the heat to maintain precise cooking temperatures, helping you achieve consistently delicious results whether you're smoking brisket, roasting chicken, or grilling burgers. The grill also features reliable electronics, high-quality internal components, and a spacious cooking area that can easily handle meals for family gatherings or large parties. Owners frequently praise the RT-1250 for its ability to hold temperatures with remarkable accuracy, even during long smoking sessions and changing weather conditions. Another major advantage is Recteq's highly regarded customer service, with many users reporting fast responses and helpful support whenever assistance is needed. While the RT-1250 comes with a premium price tag and has fewer local dealerships than some larger brands, most buyers believe its superior build quality and dependable performance more than justify the investment. Across barbecue communities and professional reviews, the Recteq RT-1250 consistently stands out as a pellet grill that delivers outstanding reliability, premium craftsmanship, and years of worry-free wood-fired cooking. Which pellet grill would you choose for your next backyard barbecue? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If this comparison helped you find the right grill, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest outdoor cooking reviews, grilling guides, and helpful buying tips. From flavor-packed smoking to powerful grilling performance, we'll continue bringing you the best recommendations to upgrade your barbecue experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.